Before we start working on color correction and color grading, there is something very important I need to bring to your attention is the concept of color correction versus color grading. Color correction is a science, is a method, is a technique if you like, where you bring your colors into balance, where you make sure your whites are really white and the black are really black and the color in between have a good balance. And the main goal of color correction is to make the image look correct, to look as natural as possible. Let me show you an example. This is how we got this video from the camera. With the correct color correction, this is how it's supposed to look. Now all the colors are balanced, the whites are whites and the blacks are blacks. Now when it comes to color grading is an art. Its goal is to give a new look, a feeling, according to what you want to portray in your video. It's about adding to your story. Just imagine that you have a comedy movie graded like a horror movie with these dark colors and these bluish impersonal colors. So it doesn't work. And if you have a horror movie graded nicely like a comedy, with these bright colors, you will never have the right feelings. So there is quite a difference between color correction and color grading. We want to start developing your skills for color correction, meaning how to balance all the colors within the image, get the whites to be real white and the blacks to be real blacks. And I will show you several methods. When you get this correctly and you have the right colors for the image as they are supposed to be, you can move on and start putting your own mood or the mood that is supposed to happen within the video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.